Proof by contradiction is a proof method where we prove a statement by showing that its negation is impossible, right? So suppose we want to prove a statement P. We want to show that P is true. Instead of proving P directly, we assume that P is false. Then we use definitions, known facts, and algebra to show that this assumption leads to a contradiction. A contradiction is something that is just impossible. So, for example, it could be an equation like 0 equal to 1. So maybe we show that if we assume that P is false, then 0 must be equal to 1, right? And that would be a contradiction. Or it could be a situation where the same statement would have to be both true and false. And the idea is that once we reach a contradiction, we conclude that our assumption was wrong. But our assumption was that P is false. And so if assuming P is false leads to an impossibility, then P must be true, right? So again, the structure is you first assume the opposite of what you want to prove, and then you reason from that assumption, and you find the contradiction. And since you found the contradiction, then the thing that you assumed cannot be true, so it must be false, which means that the opposite of it must be true. So that is, you conclude that the original statement must be true.